In this video, you'll learn about the different types of agent outputs and how you can use them in the agents you build in the Airia platform. To start, you want to identify the agent that you want to deploy and then navigate to the right-hand side and click into the three dots. You'll then select the Interfaces option and add a new interface. To deploy to the Agents catalog, you choose the Airia Agents option. Within this menu, you have the option to add or configure various options when deploying an Airia agent. Down here at the bottom, you have the features specific to the output that this agent will produce. You can either have the agent use or produce artifacts with its output or produce citations with its output. An artifact is an independent piece of work that the agent creates as part of its output. A citation provides a link back to the source document from which the agent's output is derived. You select the feature you want and click Add Interface. If we then dive into the Agents catalog, you can see the deployed agent here with whatever feature you chose supported as part of that agent's output. If we click into the first option here, or the Demo Artifacts agent, and say Produce an NDA, you can see that the agent has produced, in this case, an NDA, and you can see that represented on the right-hand side. Now, artifacts aren't only limited to documents. You can also have the agent produce things like pieces of Python code, for example. And because this is all in Markdown, you can actually edit the document that the agent has produced directly within the agent's window before you save it and export it or download it to whatever format you need. That's an example of artifacts. For citations, you go into here. I've loaded this with information about the Airia deployment process. So if I now say, what is phase 4 of the Airia deployment process? You can see here it's giving me my answer, and then we can click into the PDF itself. We have a copy of the document within the Airia chat window. If we click through, you can see the source of the information highlighted in orange within the Airia chat window. Thanks for watching.